What's up, everybody? Yeah, so guys, I hope you are doing well. This is yet another vlog. I hope I'm audible enough. How have you been? If you're new here, you're so much welcome. We love you, and me and my subscribers will love you so much. Kindly subscribe my channel and join the family. And for my returning family, for my returning subscribers, for my returning besties, for my returning, oh my god, you guys are so amazing. I love you with the whole of me, you know that. Yeah, so guys, recently I went for a photo shoot, and for my birthday, and you know, I'm turning 30 years. I'm grown, I'm old, I'm really old. I'm a big girl. Yeah, so my friend Emma, she did my makeup, and I loved her makeup, and you know, I was so amazed that she used the same things I have in the house, but her makeup was extremely good. I don't know, I normally do makeup on myself, but yani, I think she's a professional, how do they call them? I think she's a professionalist. Yeah, what? Anyway, so she used the same items or the same kit, because I went with my makeup. Of course, she had hers, but the only one that she used on me that was hers was the foundation. So guys, the eyeshadow, and then the concealer, and then the foundation, this other foundation, these are the things I have in the house. And you know, I've been asking myself, how come she was able to make you look that beautiful with the same things you have in the house? Guys, I was so challenged. So I want to try out to do the makeup, and I want to try to do makeup, the same makeup she did on me, okay, using the same stuff she used, which are the same things I have right now. Guys, okay, it's not perfect, it's not good as I can't still beat her. I can't still reach to what she did on my makeup. But you can as well comment and tell me, rate me out and tell me how my makeup is, if it's good, what was missing, or what did I leave out. Let's have a conversation in the comment section. Yeah, but it's not so bad, I can say.